Ready to upgrade your daily routine? Discover the must-have gadgets that'll change the way you live. Here are the top 5 Amazon picks you never knew you needed. Let's dive in.
The Carry Hand Saw is a compact and versatile tool designed for precision woodworking. With a 5.5-inch mini pocket folding design, this saw is easy to carry and store, making it a convenient choice for woodworkers or DIY enthusiasts. The SK5 blade is known for its durability and sharpness, and the saw features double-edged teeth with 13/14 TPI, teeth per inch, for clean, efficient cutting on both wet and dry wood. Whether you're performing flush cuts or detailed woodworking tasks, this pull saw provides smooth and accurate results. It's an excellent gift for craftsmen or anyone who enjoys woodworking, especially during the holiday season. The RAK magnetic pickup tool is a practical and innovative gadget, perfect for men who love tools or DIY projects. This telescoping magnet features an LED flashlight and an extendable neck that reaches up to 22 inches, making it ideal for retrieving metal objects from hard-to-reach places like tight corners or engine bays. The LED flashlight provides additional visibility in dimly lit areas, adding to its functionality. Whether for home repairs, automotive work, or just as a cool, handy gadget, this pickup tool is an excellent gift for dads, handymen, or anyone who could use a little extra help retrieving lost screws or nails in tough spots. The Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a highly effective and reusable tool designed to quickly and easily remove pet hair from multiple surfaces. Whether you're dealing with cat or dog fur, this roller works wonders on furniture, couches, carpets, clothing, and bedding. Its innovative design doesn't require sticky tapes or adhesives, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for pet owners. Simply roll it back and forth, and the roller captures hair, lint, and fur in its internal compartment for easy disposal. Compact and portable, it's the perfect tool for keeping your home and clothes free of pet hair. The HUPAR Rechargeable Laser Level is a self-leveling tool designed for precision in various tasks such as picture hanging, tiling, and construction projects. It emits a highly visible green cross-line laser, which is brighter and more efficient than red lasers, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The tool includes a pulse mode for extended range when paired with a laser detector. Its 360 degrees magnetic base allows for easy attachment to metal surfaces, ensuring flexibility during setup. With a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, it offers long-lasting performance and eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making it both eco-friendly and convenient for professionals and DIYers alike. Here, Rechargeable LED Work Light is a portable and versatile tool designed for a variety of outdoor and indoor tasks, such as car repairs, hiking, or emergency situations. Featuring a magnetic base, clip, and hook, this light can be easily attached to metal surfaces or hung in convenient locations, allowing for hands-free use. Its 180 degrees adjustable stand offers flexible lighting angles to illuminate hard-to-reach areas. The waterproof design makes it suitable for outdoor activities in various weather conditions. Compact yet powerful, this pocket-sized light is a practical and thoughtful gift for men who need reliable lighting for work or outdoor adventures.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.